How to add light click transition in CapCut PC. First of all, drag and drop some clips into the timeline. I'm adding 2 clips into timeline, and then set your position where you want to add your transition. I want to resize the clips first, and then set a position like here, uh, without any gap or without any space. Go to transition and click here for light. After that, you can see multiple transition. You can select anyone from here to add your light click transition. And to add this one, just you can click to plus icon or drag and drop. After that, you can manage the duration like this. That's it. It's a very simple process to add a light transition in CapCut PC. Thanks for watching.